First of all, my sincere thanks to the government of Tamil Nadu for taking good care of people from Odisha staying in Tamil Nadu. We got very good feedback from the camps. I was also very happy to see that the Honorable Chief Minister himself personally visited some camps where Odia people were staying. I saw the photos and videos. Whoever is willing to come to Odisha, we will coordinate their movement. Whoever wants to stay and continue working, they may also be facilitated. I would request the Honorable Union Minister to please coordinate with the Union Government.
On behalf of the Government of India, I congratulate, pay my gratitude to both the Honorable Chief Minister of both the states, Sri Naveen Patnaik and Sri Palaniswamy ji. At this difficult juncture, we all are working together to facilitate well-being of both the community, both the Tamil people and Odia people in their respective state.
There are 130 workers from Odisha in Tamil Nadu. Majority of them are working in Tirupur district, followed by Chennai and Coimbatore districts.
From our side, Odisha side, Mr. Balakrishnan, Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister, will coordinate. Vanakkam.